In this video, we'll show you how to connect your aerial sling to a rescue 8. We'll demo with a piece of rope first. Cross the free ends of the ropes on top of each other. Take the crossed ropes through the body of the rescue 8. Separate the tails and loop the rope through and under. Next, separate the free rope tails and hook the rope over the top of the rescue 8. Pull everything tight to cinch it down. Finally, don't forget to tie your safety knots on both sides of the free tails. Now let's do it with aerial fabric. Start with about 5 feet of slack and cross the fabric poles. Pull the crossed fabric through the body of the rescue 8. Separate the tails and loop the fabric through and under. Separate the free fabric tails and hook the fabric over the top of the rescue 8. Sometimes this involves a little wiggling and jiggling. Ensure the ears of the rescue 8 are exposed to have a nice, tidy tie. Pull everything tight to cinch it down. Again, make sure both ears of the rescue 8 are fully exposed. Finally, don't forget to tie your safety knots on both sides of the free tails. Make sure they're nice and tight and you have at least 12 inches of tail slack. Attach your hardware and you're ready to fly.